Guys, welcome to my vlog. Sunday ngayon kaya gumala kami saglit before uuwi sa bahay ng mga amo. Nandito kami ngayon sa Heritage Tsim Sha Tsui. Yan. Gusto ko makita yung mga decorations nila, Christmas decors, dahil every year bonggang-bongga yung mga decorations dito. Hindi lang tuwing Christmas, tuwing may special na okasyon dito, talagang magaganda yung mga decorations nila tulad nito ngayon. Yan, ang giant Christmas tree nila at ang polar bear, si Mama Bear at saka si Baby Bear. So ayan, sa haba ng pila at kulang na rin kami sa oras, di na lang kami pumila para makapag-picture sa loob. Yan, iikot na lang kami. So tingnan nyo guys, yan yung pila. Yan, iikot na lang tayo. Hanap ng pwesto para makapag-picture man lang. So ayan, ikot-ikot lang tayo guys. Kasi wala kulang sa oras para pumila pa. Yan. Ito yung dekorasyon nila ngayong taon na to. Di ko lang alam kung ilang feet itong Christmas tree nila, pero masyadong malaki. So yan guys, aakyat kami dito sa hagdan. Imagine, for almost 10 years ko na dito, this is my first time. First time na umakyat dito. So we'll see what we can find up there. While walking upstairs guys, let's have some history here. So this place, located in the heart of Tsim Sha Tsui, the former Marine Police headquarters. These have been rejuvenated and reintegrated into the urban fabric of the surrounding area. The 130-year-old historical development has been revitalized and transformed into a cultural and shopping landmark in Hong Kong. So ito na siya, tinatawag na siya na 1881 Heritage. Before, ito siya yung former Marine Police Headquarters. Yan, following extensive renovation and conservation works by the CK Asset Holdings Limited, 1881 Heritage now features luxury shop, fine dining establishments and heat bars, a heritage hotel, and a heritage hall, which allows visitors to discover the history of this site. Guys, dito na tayo sa itaas. Ito ang view sa rooftop. Daming lights. Yan. Ang ganda. So ito yung restored signal tower, also known as the Temple Tower or Roundhouse. So papasukin natin guys kung ano meron sa loob. Ito nga pala siya, was constructed to provide time signals to ships in the harbor. A ball was hoisted each morning and dropped precisely at 1 p.m. Its use diminished in 1907 when the time ball apparatus was removed to signal hill column. So, ito yung matatagpuan natin sa itaas ng tower guys. Na-preserve nila. Yan. Yan ang view galing sa taas. Kita mo yun sa baba. Baba na tayo guys. Yan. Yan yung picture na nasa itaas na nakita natin. So dito may mga short history na makikita, mababasa natin. So ayan. So yun na guys, medyo late na kaya pauwi na kami. So if you are new here to my channel, please do subscribe and click all the notification bell and give this video a like, and see you next time on my next vlog. So dito na lang. See you. Goodbye. Dahil kami ay uuwi na. Bye-bye. Bye.